What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. I got a new one here. I've never done an Infiniti convertible. What a cool car. This is a 2011 G37, I believe. Yeah, G37 Sport. Got some cool looking rims and a cool ice blue color. It's just a really pretty car. Top works good. You can tell it's a girl car. See all the makeup hands. Seats a little, got the makeup. Lots of makeup. See this? Got a bum seat here. But this thing is a freaking hoot to drive. I mean, a hoot. It says top in operation. No. I want you to open. I thought we were done with all that. There we go. I just didn't wait for the notification. So anyway, yeah, we got heated and cooled seats here. Let's turn on a little heat. It's getting cool out here this evening. Got just pretty your standard AC stuff. Got a maintenance light up here for the tire. Navigation. Some big ass paddle shifters. Let's take her for a little ride. I tell you, this little baby rips. And got a great sounding exhaust. I mean, good sounding exhaust. I waited too late to get out here tonight. Darn it. I'm not going to get to drive all the cars I had on my list. But I figured I'd get at least a video of this little G37. And it's an S Sport. Alright, let's let these guys get on down the road here a little bit. Okay, here we go. Oh, heck. Woo-wee. She's quick. She's quick. Golly, what an exhaust note. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like this little car. This thing could clean up pretty nice. I have never followed these before, never paid them any attention. I know they're an Infiniti. I think they have a pretty solid powertrain and transmission. Just going back to my old Infiniti M35 I had that time. So I think they're pretty solid, pretty good. And I've got a feeling these things might sell cheap. But we'll find out in the morning. She's a good looking ride. Now, if I can remember where the hell I got it from. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.